Fast stock market news, where I give you all the news as fast as I can. So today's Saturday, guys, and I always do crypto videos on Saturday. And oh boy, is today a day that you would definitely do not want to take a look at your broker or at your wallet. It's been absolute meltdown for crypto. Bitcoin overnight has fallen below 19,000. Previously, it was hovering around the 20K range, and that completely collapsed the support there. Another big thing is Ethereum actually went below $1,000. It's the first time since 2021 that Ethereum's under $1,000, as well as Bitcoin since 2020 plunging under $19,000. So there's a lot of things happening right now, guys. I mean, there's no shortage of bad news to report, but the biggest drivers right now, other than the Bitcoin price continuously falling, is basically same news that's been reported over and over again, and there's no end in sight right now. The massive crypto meltdown is part because of the stock market meltdown, along with inflation, high interest rates, war in Ukraine, COVID lockdowns, and supply chain chaos. This is basically leading to Bitcoin being the highest risk asset right now in the market. That's going to be the first to sell off always, every single day of the week. Another big issue that happened today is basically crypto lender Babel put freezes on withdrawals as well. So now not only do you have Celsius putting withdrawal freezes, but now you have other lenders. This is basically, in my opinion, guys, this is the beginning of the end for a lot of these lenders, because a lot like Celsius, there's a fear of not having enough liquidity, and they could be in a big bank run, basically not being able to have the money needed to continuously support Bitcoin. So this is causing a lot of these smaller lenders, I have no question, probably by the end of the year they'll probably go under, and it's sad if they happen to take people's cryptocurrency with them, but it's just another driving force. There's a continuous sell-off for Bitcoin. This thing and talking point right now that they're finally waiting, a lot of people, for the final shoe to drop is Michael Saylor. If you guys don't know Michael Saylor, he's the CEO of MicroStrategy, and he's openly probably the most advocate. He always advocating for cryptocurrency, and he's probably the most open person that holds the most cryptocurrency in the public markets. And he's been very much in the headlines because of this margin call that people keep talking about. If crypto falls before a certain threshold, recently it was around 20,000. They were saying it was about 20,000, but now he's saying basically, in order for him to actually get that margin call, it would be around $4,000 for cryptocurrency for Bitcoin to fall. And even if it did fall to 4,000, he was mentioning that it wouldn't be a big deal because they have a lot of assets they could sell. But he actually went on Bloomberg yesterday, and based on when the cryptocurrency was collapsing, and he had a good interview that he said, and I thought he had a lot of wise words, especially for people that are panicking right now. Take a look, guys.
Oh, this is probably a rhetorical question, but do you have any regrets?
We did a lot of back testing, and I've gone back and I've looked at the numbers. And on August 10th of 2020, when we announced our $250 million Bitcoin buy, since then, Bitcoin's up 72%. The money supply is up 17%. The Nasdaq's down 2%. Gold's down 9%. The S&P is up 9%. And the only thing that looks better than the money supply expansion is single family homes up 26%. I couldn't have bought billions of dollars of single family homes. And so that's not even practical. So the bottom line is the Bitcoin strategy is 10x better than any other alternative. And so no, I don't regret it. We've got $2.8 billion worth of Bitcoin on our balance sheet right now, and we feel like we're positioned well for when the markets turn around. And our only other choice would be to give all the capital back to the shareholders, in which case we would have nothing, and we would be struggling to get by without any assets.
There you have it, guys. That's basically everything that's happening right now in the crypto market. If you guys checked out my video last week, I said it numerous times over the past couple of weeks. I've been making videos, the Saturday videos on cryptocurrency. I'm not touching Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency right now. There's too much risk. The interest rates, one thing that a lot of people that always preach about Bitcoin is about Bitcoin being a store of value, or it's the new blockchain technology and Web 3.0. But one thing that hasn't happened before, Bitcoin has never been in a high interest rate environment, and for that reason I'm not touching it right now. It's not reacting very well. currently as it stands. So I personally am not investing, but let me know what you guys are doing. If you're buying the dip or are you staying away from it for now. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. And thanks again for watching the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Thanks again, everyone, for watching Fast Stock Market News. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, commenting, or liking the video. I would greatly appreciate it. My name is Gio, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.